Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove Google Save Password. So in order to remove the Save Password from Google account, you'll need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now open up the particular Google account that you wish to remove the password from. Once you open up the browser, tap on the three dot icon right on top, and from here you can go to Google Password Manager. In order to remove the password of the particular applications or particular website, you'll need to go ahead and open up the website. After that, you'll need to type in the password of your device, that is your passcode, and click on the OK button. So to remove the particular password or the save password from Google, tap on the delete button right at the bottom, and as you can see that the password has been deleted. And in this way you can delete your password on Google Saved. In this way you can delete your saved password from Google. So you can do the same procedure for rest of the other website and browsers. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.